Hi guys, welcome back. It's a Saturday and I'm gonna clean and organize my fridge and then show you my Starbucks cups. And then I'm gonna show you a little bit of stuff me and Malaya got at Nordstrom's. But right now I'm making my Starbucks iced coffee, and that's my Oreo cream. I have some of my stuff out of the fridge right now on the counter, and I hope this, oh, perfect. Okay, you guys, let's get started. I'm always numb to the topic of loving. I fell in love with the subject of sin. Oh, I don't have to remind you. It's my need to confine you. I see your face every time. And you guys, I have a very small refrigerator. And when I get my new fridge, I will do a new organize and clean with me. Until then, I have to stick with my small fridge. And my kitchen needs to be redone, as you can see. But for now, this is what I have. So let's keep on cleaning the fridge. And I don't know if you noticed, but on the door of the fridge are some of my Starbucks magnets. Give me your body. Yeah. I feel our souls burning up when I'm inside of you. And I'ma leave my mark just to remind you where you belong, baby. So now I have some stuff in my containers. I'm putting my boiled eggs in this egg holder that I bought from Home Goods. When I boil eggs for work, I like to keep them in a separate container from my regular eggs. And then I put my bacon in a container also. That just keeps my bacon fresh. I love to do that. And then my eggs, always stay in a glass bowl because I like to see what I have for eggs. If I always have to go into the fridge and open the container, that drives me nuts. This way I can see what I have at all times and I know when I'm getting low. And I'm wiping off all my glass, jars and everything before I put them back into the fridge. Here I'm just putting some rice in a bowl for Choppy. He's got a tummy bug. So I'm just going to pack it in this glass dish so I know also when I'm getting low on rice. Sorry, all the creams that I have are in the way. Imagine that, me and creams.
feel the blood rushing throughout your body. You see the scars painted.
So here I'm just lining up my coffees and my creamers. I like them all to face the same direction, so I don't have to get in there and mill around and figure out what I have. This way, if they all face forward, you can see what you have right away, and it's better looking to the eye too when everything is front and forward. And don't forget, you want to use the oldest stuff first. And yes, none of these creams are open, so these will all stay sealed up in the cream containers until I do put them in the glass containers, and that just keeps them fresh. There's no need to open up all the creams that I'm not using to put them in glass containers. And the big international vanilla cream is Tafiq's cream.
I'm in control when you give me your body. Yeah. I feel our souls burning up when I'm inside of you. And I'ma leave my mark just to remind you.
So here's my refrigerator all cleaned and finished. And on the side door I have butter and my butterscotch chips. Everything facing forward. My creams, dog's canned food. And you guys, don't keep what you don't need. And underneath my glass containers and everything else, I have like a slip mat so stuff doesn't slip around. Eggs, carrots, pop, everything facing. Cheese, eggs, spinach, everything facing the front so it's more aesthetically pleasing to the eye. Wow, I love a nice clean fridge. Okay, you guys, it's time for the Starbucks cups. This is ridiculous. I think I have 25 cups. Every time a new one comes out, I have to have it. And now that there's not a Starbucks store online, I have to run around to Starbucks all day looking for the greatest and newest cup. And I'm also burning my Bath & Body Blueberry Maple Pancake Candle. So then me and Malaya went to Nordstrom's and I got her some school stuff. And I'm doing this on my floor again. It's just easier. We went to J. Crew and Nordstrom's and I got her this sweatshirt. It's really cute. It looks so huge, you guys. It's a small, but it's really cute. And then we got Good American jeans. They got a funky little fun pocket that she likes. Ankles are like tighter and a little distressed on the pocket. These were adorable on her. And then she got another shirt from J. Crew. Alrighty. And then another bag for Malaya. We got some tennis shoes. Oh no, sorry, these aren't the tennis shoes. These are the booties. These were adorable on her. And then she tried them on also with her jeans, and it worked out fine. Excuse me, guys, this TV is up way too loud. Sports. Okay. These are adorable. These fit Malaya so cute. I wanted a pair, but it was for Malaya, so Grandma didn't get a pair. Very cute. And those were on sale. How much were those? I don't remember. I want to say $69.59. Really, really cute. And then she wanted a pair of Vans. She wanted the camouflage pair, but they only had them in a 5, and she didn't want the tie-ups. But we got the black ones in the tie-ups. Really, really cute. And they just have that color sole. They say Vans on the inside. Really, really cute on her. Those were $49. Put these all back in the box so we don't have, or back in the bag rather. Alright. And then we went upstairs at Nordstrom's, and these Tommy Sweat lounging pants that I got for me, I got these in a medium because their stuff tends to run a little big. And these were originally $59. I got them for $35. And I got those in a medium. Those are for me. I like to lounge in that kind of stuff. What you doing there, Piper? What's Mama's girl doing? This is for Malaya. These are also some Tommy relaxing pants. Those are for her. And then she got the blue and white and red top. And that looks small, and you can believe, or can you believe, that this is a large? She tried it on and it was like small, and it's a large. We're just really crazy. And actually I think it's an extra large. We were kind of confused, so we had to have her try it on because we couldn't believe that. And then we just got some underwear. These were 5 for $25. Good price. And that's what we got. I think I got everything. Piper, do you want to say goodbye to everybody? Yeah, I want to say goodbye to everybody, Mama. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you.